Do you get the best pen drive in 2019? In this video I will show you the best pen drive to you. So don't skip, stay with us next 1 minute. Bone Collection Flash Drive, Cute Animal Cartoon Pen Drive Memory Stick, Panda. Adorable cartoon character design with integrated protective cap and strap hole. USB 3.0 ultra-fast connectivity, backwards compatible with USB 2.0. The silicone rubber enclosure protects from most damages, water and shockproof. The integrated cap protects the USB connector when not in use and will never lose it. Retail packaging, 1-year manufacturer warranty from Bone Collection. Capacity, 8 GB, 16 GB and 32 GB with USB 3.0. Price, $24.99 only. Order now. Order link is given below. Thanks for watching. Take care.